Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get iOS 15.6 on iPhone and iPad. So let's start. As you can see, I am open the settings already. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. It will take some wait for a few seconds. As well as you can see download and install, just tap on it. Now enter your iPhone passcode and start now downloading. After few time downloading has complete, when you can install iOS 15.6. That's it. Hope this video helpful. If the video helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.